Today we're going to go over the functionality out of the admin section. So we're going to go up top and see that we have the admin section selected. And then we're going to go open up our clients. On the client screen, it gives all of the main information about each client that we have active in the system. From this screen, it'll show the different transactions that are associated with the client, as well as all of their contact information and what type of contact you have, whether it's wife, cell, work, phone number, etc. Same thing with email. Okay. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and create a new transaction. So this will happen when there's actually a ratified contract and a new client needs to have their information entered into the system. So we're going to go over here to the new record button, click that, and we're going to go ahead and say the nickname is what's going to appear regularly throughout the system. So you want to use the main decision maker's name typically in that section. Okay. So now we have the client information entered here. So what we're going to do is create a new transaction for this client. So here it shows that the client is the one that we just created, and then we're going to pick a transaction type, buy, list, or referral. The referral transaction type is used to split commission between an agent inside your organization and as a referring agent. So basically, if you have a buyer's agent that referred a listing to a listing agent, then you split the transaction to show the revenue for each agent. So when the payroll system calculates it, it comes out correctly. You'll see when we change it to referral, we get this note: make sure the gross commission is split between the original transaction and the referral transaction. This is just a warning to make sure that everything stays correct in the system. Also, we block out the sales price because the sales price doesn't get entered in when we're creating a referral transaction type. So this one we'll just do simple as a buyer transaction. You have your date field, scheduled closing, the actual closing once it's actually closed, and then you pick the source. Now the lead sources all tie through everywhere, all the way down to lead costing. So you have work from the same lead sources table every time you'll see source throughout the system. If there's a new source, you can always click add and then just add the new lead source in. Same thing with title company and your agents. Sales price is the price of the transaction. Gross commission is the gross commission going to the organization as a whole. Referral fee is if you have to pay an external referral fee amount. That means it's not going to another agent on your team. It's going to some other source, whether it be outside of the brokerage referral agent or it be a relo company or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and enter some numbers in here. So you see it automatically calculates what the net commission is based on the numbers that we've entered here. So it'll deduct the referral fee from the gross commission to give you your true net commission. And you can change in the system what your default split is with your agents. So the agent split here set by default is 50%. So real quick, it'll just calculate out what 50% is for you. So you don't need to have a calculator while you're entering the information in. Okay. And then you see there it'll also calculate out what the gross agent split. This is the split to the house, this is the split to the agent. If you charge transaction fees, you can keep that information there, and then the address information for the client.